Come on here.
Yep.
Oh my god. God, we just keep on going straight. Keep on going straight.
This is like the back rooms of Gorilla Tag.
And you hit the third light, you see a crate.
Spike.
There's an axe. There's an axe on the crate. I don't trust. Oh, no. Yeah. Still coming. Yeah. Is he coming or not?
He's
No, it's not. Where's the exit? He went to the left. I don't even know. Is he there? I'm not going over there. The oldest has to go. The oldest has to go. I'm 7.
I'm 14. I should not have said that out loud.
Oh, 14. He's 14. He must go. He's 14. He must go. Okay. I got the axe! Guys, I got the axe!
I don't like being the oldest!
He's not coming! Yeah, he's not coming. That's creepy. He's coming!
Wait, what do you need that? What do we need that for?
I got the axe.
What do we need it for?
I don't have it. So when we get to the end, there's going to be like a wood thing, so we chop it down with it.
Hold on, I thought I saw something over here. No, I didn't. Okay. Let's go.
So you guys got the axe. You guys got the axe. You
I
guys
don't.
got the axe.
No?
Go and get the axe. So you see the third light, go left, right, get it.
Oh, crap. Oh, he's gone. Where's the axe?
I got it! I still got it! I solved it. Huh? I solved. Wait, can I see it? What? I solved that one. Yeah, that was really easy.
Guys. There's a
no. It's an easy question. He's finally beat level 2.
I'm so sweet.
Why? Me too, bro. I'm sweaty too.
I got this. Okay. I'm not scared of you. Because you're a big oily monkey. And I mean, I'm scared
Give me somewhere to go. That's how we're at history.
You can't touch my pancreas and get away with it. Come here. I knew you were scared.
Oh, I saw your up.
Oh, help the axe.
Take it off. Where's the axe? Right here.
Where am I going? Left, over here?
Yep, take it off. What is that? Faster than me, bro.
I don't know where I'm going. I just know I have an axe.
Where's the axe? Oh my god. Is that Capuchin? Oh, we went the wrong way. Bro, we're in a maze.
Okay.
I see something right over there.
That looks important. Right?
That doesn't. That looks like a monster.
No, it's not. What is that?
Looks like the...
Yo. Guys, I found a shovel.
Oh, that's
doing?
nothing.
Wrong way. Oh, nice.
Wrong way.
What was that noise?
Hey! Hey! How? Over here.
Oh, there it is, there it is!
No, I didn't.
Come on, this is my...
Oh, there it is!
What?
Don't drop your axe! out.
I did it. Hey guys, I got to run.